What's going on, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company, and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be checking out our brand new 2020 Kia Soul. This one's got the GT line trim. It's a little bit of a sportier trim. You get a couple red accents, really nice looking exterior with some really cool key features on the interior. We'll start up here on the front end. We get these sleek kind of strip headlights that go across the front of the hood here. Fog lights down on bottom. You also do get this red trimming along the bottom with the GT line in red. Gets two-tone alloy rims. Got the red ring around the Kia badge there. Red strips along the bottom parts of the Kia. And then you get Soul. A Soul badge on each of these, each side here. And then these tail lights wrap around the whole entire trunk here. Backup camera, the trunk latch is just there as well. And then the GT line badge over here on the right. In the back of your Kia Soul, you get a good amount of space. All your mats are in here. They say Soul on them for the front too. Get a little covered divider here. You can throw down that second row for even more space. But other than that, it does get keyless entry on the front two doors as well as blind spot monitors on the mirrors. Let's check out the interior. Alright guys, so as for the interior, it looks just as good as the exterior. We get a leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, cruise control. You get the GT line badge here on the bottom. It's also flat bottomed, a little sportier. Over on the left is where you can find your lane keep, your blind spot monitors, automatic engine start and stop system, and then your traction control. Over on the driver's side, you get an automatic driver's side window. And then on your screen here, with almost all the Kias, you get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is a super nice default feature because it allows you to open up your own personal music apps and navigation apps all through USB connection with your cell phone down here. Also does come with your regular Bluetooth capabilities, AM/FM radios. So down here you do get your USB for phone connection, but you do also get a 12-volt socket on each side. Wireless charging pad up above that. A little bit of compartment space here. Comes with a push to start. You get your drive modes. These will display up here on the gauge cluster. You got normal and sport mode. Two cup holders. In the console we get a good amount of space. And then as for the seats, we get these really comfortable cloth seats. Got this gray padding in the middle. Lots of space for legs in the back as well. And then up above us, it does come with a moonroof. Controls for that are just up in front of it. But as for the interior, really good looking. You got these sleek plastic parts on the doors. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, super helpful feature. And then you get your driver's assistance in here as well. To wrap it up on this Kia Soul, guys, it's brand new, got a super clean Carfax report with no damages or accidents. It's a one-owner vehicle with under 5,000 miles. It's got a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine under the hood that gets up to 27 miles per gallon in city and a whopping 36 on the highway. Comes with some really nice features. As for the exterior, you get those alloy rims, a backup camera, blind spot monitors, keyless entry. But on the inside, you get a really nice touchscreen display with Bluetooth capabilities, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also do get lane keep and a sport mode, as well as a moonroof up top. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. See you guys soon.